So, let's do today our pumpkin patch bubble tea, our autumn specials. So, what do we need for this? Firstly, it's Assam black tea, creamer, 1 scoop of original powder, 25 ml of pumpkin spice syrup or brown sugar syrup. We need tapioca, milk, now we need a cream cap, cinnamon. Have our pumpkin patch.